Welcome back, everybody. I recently got together with some friends and we decided to do a dinner where we were going to go all out. Get all the best ingredients, all the rarest ingredients, and try some stuff that we've never gotten to try before. We're going to do things like A5 Wagyu from Japan, Maine Lobster tails, etc. Caviar, oysters, white Alba truffles, Iberico ham, pretty much everything that we've always wanted to try. While sourcing these ingredients, I also researched what this would have costed us if we had gone to a restaurant, a fine dining establishment, and paid for all of it for 8 people. And it came up anywhere between $7,500 and $8,500, something that none of us could afford. But we were basically able to do it ourselves and get it down to $300 per person, or $2,400 total. So still a lot of money, but it was something we were doing during the holidays, and we kind of all splurged on ourselves. And you're about to see the results. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great.